Hello viewers, subscribers, and first-timers. Welcome to AutoBuff. I'm Kyle, I'm the lead tinter here, and today we're going to be covering just a quick tint removal and reinstall for a customer who has some peeling at the bottom of the window. Truck in question is a 2019 GMC Sierra. Customer came in today complaining about tint peeling and rising up off here. You can see there's some bubbles and everything forming. And what's going to happen over time as the window goes up and down further from that, it's just going to peel up and get worse and worse. So we're just going to correct that. This is just locking in the outer edge initially so that I can create fingers on the glass, because from the plotter to here it prints a flat 2D image, but the glass itself is not flat, it has a curve to it. The film won't lay perfectly flat unless you shrink it somewhat. So by creating a few very obvious fingers, you know exactly what area needs to be shrinked. Yeah, this is just to get it shaped to the glass itself. So then I come into it with the heat gun, right? And shrinks that down. You can still see it at this moment, obviously, because I haven't pressed it flat yet. But that'll have removed a lot of that extra space. Squeeze out a lot of the water. Now there's still a little bit at the bottom, so you have to come along and just do little touch-ups again after. As long as all the fingers are laying below my border, that means none of it is going to be actually on the glass after the fact. From the previous thing. This is just another step in preparing the glass. I'll do this every time, even if there hasn't been glue or anything on it. It's just a light scrubby pad that will help remove, or at least dislodge, any debris or contaminants that might be left over. So now that I've knocked everything loose, right, with that little scrub pad, I'm drawing it all over as best I can to one side, because I'm gonna rinse it all down anyway with the sprayer now. Now it's all about just getting it on the glass as fast as you can, like I did. Now it's currently on, and then getting as much of it on the glass as you can as well, without causing any creases or like folds or fighting it too hard. Because if you create one crease, that will also show up afterward. It'll be a sharp, lighter area that looks like a scratch, and once it's in there, it's in there. So this is just about, once it's on, it's about the fit, going close to that edge, but not over it. If you go over it, it'll start catching on your top door seal as you raise and lower it, which will just over time at least has the potential to start peeling it back downward, and everything we've done would have been for naught. I'm double checking that right now. It's about as high as I want. I can go a little bit higher, but I'm worried about the front and back, making sure there's no light gap. So I'm using the tool, our easy reach tool here, and sliding it on each side. And all that does is it'll really, if there's part of it that isn't tinted, you'll really see the color shift between it. Like if I show you like up top, like behind here, nice and dark, and as soon as it comes out from behind it, very gray, right? So you'll see that on each side, and you'll know if you need to shift the tint forward or backwards, or like accordingly. So that you don't leave any marks or damages as I'm squeezing out the excess water, so that the glue can start adhering to the glass. And then once again, it's all about getting as much of it on the glass as you can right away. The longer it's not on the glass, the more likely you are to have contaminants get in. That should be about it for the actual hands-on install. Now you're just pressing out all that water and inspecting your work, making sure there's no fingers, debris, or any real issues. Feel bad for the cameraman and our chief editor. If he's using any of this audio, he's going to have to also edit out all the bonging going on from the door being open. First glance, that looks pretty good. Well, thanks a lot for stopping by. We appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content, you're looking to watch more, please hit the like button, subscribe, let us know that you enjoy it. I'm going to correct that.
Now turn to the camera and give a thumbs up.